Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face using Chatgpt and few AI tools. So let's get straight into the video. Now you need to create a login for Chatgpt. Now here we are on Chatgpt, and let's say if you want to make a faceless YouTube channel about top 5 facts. So I will just type top 5 fun facts about girls. So ChatGPT will generate all these fun facts for you, and we'll wait for it to be completed. Now I will search for one more thing, top 5 iconic sports car for. I will just type top 5 iconic sports car. So it will generate a list of all the 5 iconic sports car of all time. As you can see, it has generated now. I had generated a similar script on ChatGPT, and the next thing that you will need to do is you need to create a login on Flicky. You can use the link in the description. It will give you some free credits and also give me some free credits. So all you have to do once you create a login over here, you can create a new file, and as you can see, I've already copy and pasted this thing from ChatGPT over here, and they also have a voiceover. So you don't have to record your own voice in this. For I will show you the example. So my system is slow, and that's why it's taking time to load, but the video is running pretty good. I will run it again and then pause it for some. So it's taking some time to load over here, but don't worry. Since the screen recording is on, my system is not able to handle it. But once that is completed, you can simply go ahead and export the video, and you can simply download and upload to your YouTube channel and create stunning thumbnails and put proper keywords. And you can start uploading this daily, and soon you will start seeing the results and your channel will grow using this method. So it is this simple to make money on YouTube using this Flicky AI and ChatGPT. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.